everybody, I'm Guy Fieri, and we're rolling out.
And this time when he rolled out, Guy rolled directly into Disney Springs where he opened up Chicken Guy with Robert Earl. Surely you've heard of Robert Earl. He, along with co-founder John Montague, the 11th Earl of Sandwich, opened up a restaurant we all love at Disney Springs, the Earl of Sandwich. Oh yeah, and he's also founder and CEO of that other little restaurant chain, Planet Hollywood. And really, who doesn't know Guy Fieri? He has not one but two separate Food Network shows. Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives is my favorite. And he also owns over 60 restaurants besides this one, so I wouldn't expect to see him hanging around there on the weekends. And watching the prices shoot up at Planet Hollywood when these two got together, I wasn't sure what to expect from Chicken Guy, but I was surprised, and not in a bad way. We recently stopped in and had lunch over at Chicken Guy, and I can tell you, it was really good. The menu itself is really basic, just really good chicken, and about 11 million sauces. Hashtag, that's a lot of sauces. The fresh, never frozen, no antibiotic ever used chicken is hand pounded and then it's fried right in front of you. Or grilled if you prefer. The staff really seemed to know what they were doing here. Now, if you want to stand there and watch them cook it, that's fine, but I'm going to head over and look for a table. Because like everything that's made fresh to order, you're going to have to wait a few minutes to get it. But since you got to wait anyway, it's a perfect time to head over to the self-serve Coca-Cola station. And it wasn't a long wait anyway. There's really not a whole lot of indoor seating in Flavor Town. And I immediately knew it was going to be a juicy chicken. Call it a hunch. So with Robert Earl and Guy looking on and some of the most interesting use that I've ever seen of beer barrels, we were ready to dig into our meal. And since neither Gene nor I were really all that hungry, we decided we split a 5-piece meal with some fries. I mean, it came with fries, we didn't split it with a guy named Fries. We also both got medium drinks. And here, I'll just let the chicken tender do the talking. It was hot out of the fryer, juicy, and oh man, it was good. And luckily, it's tasty just the way it is, because you only get 2 of these tiny little sauce packs with a 5-piece. I mean, who are they kidding? And remember, you got 22 to pick from. Now, overall, I enjoyed Chicken Guy. I'm not sure if I'm going to enjoy it in August when the only seating is outside, because it's kind of small inside. In the indoor seating section, there's plenty of room to get a wheelchair under the table, but there's no place to put the chair that you moved to put your wheelchair under the table. So, I guess it's time to do the review portion of the mini review, and we're going to start with the atmosphere. I mean, the atmosphere was nothing special, it's just a restaurant, but I'll give it 3 chickens because it was clean. Now, as far as the food, we're going to have to give that the maximum 4 chickens. The food was fantastic, and truthfully, we should have ordered 2 meals because we both wanted all the chicken there was. And their seasoned fries were actually excellent too. Now, as far as accessibility goes, I'm going to have to knock it back to 3 chickens there. Even though the line divider was a wall and not a stanchions, which did help, I have to face it, the place is small. So for overall value, I'm going to give it 4 chickens. I mean, the food was fantastic and it wasn't all that costly as far as Disney Springs prices go. I mean, the 5 chicken strips were $7.99 and the fries were $2.99. And with the price of a bottle of Coke going up to over $4, the $2.99 for the all-you-could-drink Coke was not a bad deal at all. So, you know what? No. I'm going to give it 5 chickens for the food. It was that good, and I would definitely go back again. Emmy's hot on the trail of your likes and comments. And I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. And if you did like the video, why don't you go ahead and subscribe. And when you do subscribe, don't forget to click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.